And here we are. If I can get that in the camera. Day 5. We are in Mazatlan.
Today we are in Mazatlan, and it's very sunny, and it's going to be 86. It's going to be quite lovely.
It's going to be great.
Yes.
I shot some pictures as we came into port. This port looks like it's grown a little bit since we've been here.
It has changed a little. We haven't been here for 2 years, so.
If you haven't done this particular route, this is our second favorite port. First is Puerto Vallarta.
Puerto Vallarta is very pretty.
Cabo is our third favorite.
Cabo's not any different than Los Angeles, to be really honest.
It's just all resorty. I mean, they got a couple of neat things. Here, this is a fishing town. This is also the home of the Pacifico Beer Company.
Yeah.
Where they make Corona and other beers. There's lots of tours you can do here. If you're going to buy handmade jewelry, souvenirs, or any little toys or
this is anything, a good place for shopping.
This is the place to do it. Lots of little shops like that all along. And everybody's nice, everybody's cool. It's a nice stop. Because it is an industrial area, they have to shuttle you from the ship up to the main area. So there's just a constant line of nonstop shuttle buses.
It takes about 5 minutes. It's not
a big deal.
Not a burden.
You just can't get off the ship and walk.
Not here, because you're walking through shipping containers and all of that.
Tonight, actually, before I say tonight, we are actually going to get off today. We've got to buy a gift for somebody.
Yes, some jewelry.
And then we're going to try the tanning spa.
We'll do the spa again.
Routine again. Tonight we've got
the glow party.
The glow party at the pool.
At the pool. And then we also have Jersey Boys. Tonight's the only night they're doing Jersey Boys.
They're doing 2 shows. One at 6:30 and
9:30.
9:30, and it's an hour and a half, a little more than an hour and a half.
It's 101 minutes, so a little over an hour and a half.
It's definitely a worth see.
Yeah, I think they only do it once because it's a big production. There's a lot of set changes.
There is.
It's a lot of work.
Definitely a worth seeing show.
It's my favorite. Of all of the shows that I've seen, Jersey Boys is by far my favorite.
And then we'll just have bands scattered amongst the ship. They're all back online tonight.
Yep, we'll just cruise around and listen to the music and maybe go to a little glow party. It might be past my bedtime.
Last time we went to the glow party in September on the gym, there were like 10
5 people.
there.
It were not many.
It's just, there was no energy.
No,
if you watch those
when there's
videos.
only 1,100 people on the ship, there's just not going to be a lot there's just not going to be a lot.
No.
It's just the way it works.
Okay, well, we'll report back later.
We will. Bye-bye.
Bye. Good morning.
Good morning. Special for today, different for tomorrow. Would you like to try?
Yes.
Yummy, yummy, good for your tummy, makes you feel sexy.
Well, definitely.
We have pistachio blondie. Ooh, really? All right, one for you. And one for you. Thank you. Have a lovely breakfast.
Thank you. Here in Mazatlan. You can see all the buses lined up, ready to take us to destinations. More buses are coming in. Shuttles to the downtown area are lining up. Tour guides are lined up. It's going to be another great day. did we end up doing? We know we were doing the spa and all.
We did the spa. We spent some time out at the pool.
A little more busy today, so not a lot of people got off at Mazatlan. So we did have, not that it was crowded, it's just
there were just more people.
And we had another little quick lunch at, no, we didn't go to the buffet today. We're kind of buffeted out. We went to the local.
We went for lunch. We just did a real quick pass. No, that was early dinner, I guess, because our times were off today, whatever.
We had our show at 6:30, and that Jersey Boys show runs for 101 minutes. So we weren't quite hungry before, but we knew we'd be hungry. Anyway, I think we had 2 dinners last night. Two small dinners.
We did.
Because I know we ended up in the local. I don't know, it was midnight when we went to bed last night. So the Jersey Boys, excellent show as always.
Same cast.
Was it the same cast?
It was the same cast.
I thought those guys looked familiar.
It was the same cast that we had in 2019. They are very good.
And they are doing it again on day 6.
So when we booked our tickets, they only showed the one day.
Yeah.
But they're doing it again today.
So basically anybody who wants to see it can see it sounds like.
Yeah.
Twice even, I suppose. Because I don't think we had a full house.
No, not really. Because people are still trying to kind of social distance.
Yeah, we went to the 6:30 showing, and then they had a 9 o'clock showing.
9:30.
Was it 9:30?
6:30 and 9:30.
So that kind of made the dance floors and all very quiet, the music quiet. We had kind of a surprise, I guess. We didn't really want to go to the Elvis music deal with the Latin band. We were, we've had horror stories and we've talked about them in other videos of seeing the Latin band do terrible
Just
Elvis
covers. All the time, yes.
And this was totally worth it. Totally worth it. The guy
It was hilarious.
I'll put some video clips on the video, but he rocked Elvis, the Latin singer.
He stole the show, and he actually has an amazing voice.
He does.
He's so subdued on stage. I mean, he sings and he's got a very nice voice, but holy cow, I had no idea.
Yeah, he was
he was great.
So that was kind of our surprise there, and then we got a little dancing at the end.
A little.
And it was a nice day.
We didn't go to the glow party.
No, we were kind of happy where we were at. And the bartenders don't let us leave now anymore.
The one unfortunate thing about the Bliss, and it seems to be worse on this ship than any of the other ships that I've been on, the volume of the band on the pool deck is so loud. I don't know why it's so loud, but you can't talk. It's so loud that it's almost overwhelming, and I don't enjoy it for very long because it's just too much.
When we sailed in 2019, we had a kind of a meetup at the pool bar at the very beginning just to meet everybody and kind of get acquainted.
At Sail Away.
At Sail Away, you could not even talk.
We couldn't talk.
Loud.
It was so loud. It was terrible, and it's the same. It hasn't changed.
Yeah, we're on deck 12, and we can hear the music rocking up at the pool.
Very loudly.
All night. So, anyway, I don't know why. But
it just seems to be this
But
ship.
at sea days, or I'm sorry, not at sea days, but at port days, it's nice and quiet. I mean, they do have music playing, but it's very soft.
They don't have a band, though.
It's true. Yeah, it's true. It's probably the bands that really, make that extra volume there. So anyway, it was another good day, another good night, and now we're done with day 5.
That's what I say. Oh, see, oh, see, we take it. CC Rider. I see CC Rider. I see CC Rider. I see CC Rider. I see CC Rider. Rider. All right, folks, let's go to the next ship. All right, this is Backlund. Crying on time. You ain't with the man around, daughter. Crying on time. You never gonna love you to read on a friend of mine. You ain't that fine. Crying on time. You ain't with the man around, daughter. I'm crying on time. You never gonna love me to read. You're in the hot glass. Sexy chick. You ain't nothing but a hoe. Right on time. You ain't nothing but a hoe, Lord. Right on time. Yeah, you never gonna let me the way your friend of mine. You're not a hoe. Right on time. You ain't nothing but a hoe, Lord. I love your tattoo. Bam, 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 bam.